Alright guys, I am back. And as you guys can see, if you can spot Bluebird, can anybody spot the wild bird? Well, the reason I'm making this video today is because Bluebird is in a love mood today. He loves licking everybody who touches him. So one small touch, bird, and I'm done. And Bluebird's licking me. So let's get over there and see what happens when I touch him. Oh my God, Bluebird! Oh my God! He freaking got me! He got me! I'm a compromise! Oh my God! How did Bluebird know I was coming? How did Bluebird know I was coming? Let's try to sneak up that way without being seen. Change of plans. Okay. Okay, bird. Okay, bird. No! Hey! No! No! Okay, bird. Let's just get out. Let's just get out. What? No, bird. No! Okay, bird. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? Oh, why are you chasing me? Why are you chasing me? Oh, window on the rosy, pocket full of posy, Bluebird, Bluebird, we all fall down. What are you doing? No, Daddy's not here. What do you mean, Daddy's not here? Let's go back in the room. Ready, set, go! Come on, Bluebird! Come on! Now we can have some fun! Yes! 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 Now I gotta get on the bed without Bluebird.